to sell a used telescopic handler. A telescopic handler, also called a telehandler, is a machine widely used in agriculture. Whether it's collecting and moving hay bales, raising large steel beams, or for other activities, a telehandler's versatility will meet most of your project requirements. When selling a telehandler, it is advised that as much information is given as possible about the telehandler being sold. Sellers must provide all the basic listing information relating to application, make, model, price, hours of operation, and year. When it comes to providing a detailed description of the unit, sellers should explain the reason for the sale of the telehandler and provide information related to its past working life. Additionally, detail its current working condition with reference to the engine, the steering and braking systems, the boom, mast, frame and chassis, the forks or any other attachments, and finally, the cabin, controls, and general appearance. Providing this information to your potential buyer will go a long way in assisting them to make an informed buying choice and an easier sales process for the seller. Sell your farm equipment, trucks, and machinery on agrimag.co.za. Visit agrimag.co.za, South Africa's leading digital farming and agricultural marketplace.